Welcome back to Halfacre's Homestead. We got a quick update on the house rebuild after the fire. I'll show you quickly what we've gotten done so far. We finally got our permits and we've been working as quick as we can to get this all done. So let me turn you around and I'll show you what we got done so far. Okay. We've got all the electrical and the insulation and all the ceiling drywall up in the living room, dining room, and we have the new wood burning stove pipe up. We also have a new roof, and we have the bedrooms done, all the electrical, and even in the closets here, they're done. We have a light in the closet now. Over into the next bedroom. A little bit darker in here because we have something covering the window, but all the ceiling's done in here. And I have stuff in front of the closet in here, but it's done too. There's light in there now. So we have really been busting to get this done. The bathroom, we still have to get some drywall to put in the ceiling up here, but it's got its light, the fan, and the new vanity light. So we've done quite a bit in the last 3 weeks. So we still have to do the drywall where the old fireplace was that caused the fire. So, but we're coming along. We'll go outside here and check it out. All right, I have an update on the house. Outside, we have the new roof and the solar is up on the roof. I don't know if I'm reaching up high enough to see it, but we have the new roof and new solar. And the side of the house here, all the old roof we took off. That was damaged by the fire and just needed to be replaced. So, all right, we're out front here. I'll raise you up so you can hopefully see the roof. The new fireplace vent there. All put in properly with flashing and fire breaks. So we'll check out the animals next. Okay, I don't know if I showed this in any of the last couple of videos. We separated the turkeys from the chickens and gave them their own pen here. So they molted and it's all their old feathers on the ground there. This is a cattle panel with a tarp put over it to keep the rain off of them and the sun, so they're in the shade. And in here we got our rabbits and some baby chicks and a little turkey. You see him back there. Here he is. Here's a turkey that we hatched out from the two adults. So, but our rabbits are a little on the warm side today. But we have a fan here blowing air into the building. So the chickens have scratched out all the manure that was under the cage here, so to get rid of all the flies, put them in here, and we hardly have any flies now in the rabbit barn because the chicks are keeping them down, eating all the fly larvae. Okay, we got the goats here. This is our buck pen. It has our buck in it, and one wether there, and one doe over there. So, had to put the barn on hold to get the house done. We have our goats here. And we let the chickens out of their pens to roam the yard to keep the flies down in around the goats. And they're just doing a pretty good job. We got a lot less flies. So, and they're going through our manure pile here and getting out all the bugs, and we've got to scrape it all back up so that it can continue decomposing and becoming nice fresh soil. We put in another gate over there so we can get to this side of the yard. Makes it real nice to come in with the trailer and get the animals to take them out or bring more animals in or feed or whatever. So, and the pigs here, we had them up for sale, but we haven't gotten any bites on them, so nobody's wanting to buy full-size pigs. So it looks like we were going to breed them, but with feed prices almost tripling, it's just gotten too expensive to keep breeders around. So these two are probably going to end up going in the freezer. So we'll do a quick garden update here. Alright, we had our onions in here in this quarter tote, and there's some that aren't quite ready yet, but this first one we harvest 99% of them here. I'll show you that in a minute. We didn't get anything come up in our kiddie pool garden here because the chickens got out, but our tomatoes and our peppers, we got on the tomatoes, we lost 3 of the plants. I don't know why. They just up and died. They were getting just as much water as the others, but they just died on us. And our strawberries here are struggling in the heat. And I planted some, I think these are zucchini in here, and they're struggling in the heat, plus the chickens keep getting to them. So I think I've got that fixed now. I put up some more fencing that would keep them out. Our peppers, we've gotten some off of there. We had 3 nice bell peppers, and once again the chickens got to them. So really got to keep your chickens out of the garden, otherwise they'll eat everything and you won't get anything. We got our avocado trees here that are struggling in the heat. We're going to build a shade house and garden in it in the future. Down here we have 2 watermelons that are coming along. So, and let's see, I'll show you the onions that are over here drying on the shelves, the metal shelves. It's not the ideal setup, but being that it is outside, it does get some sun, but not very much, an hour or 2 a day. But we got quite a few onions out of that one tote, and I just harvested these last night, so that's why they're still partially green. Once the tops all turn brown, I'll cut the tops off and the roots, clean them up a little bit, and then put them in storage for the winter. Let me turn around. Okay, hope you liked our little tour here and the update on everything, the house and the garden, animals and all that. So I want to say it's hot out here. Have a great day. Keep gardening or homesteading, and hopefully with doing that you can have a better chance of surviving through all the garbage that's going on in the world right now. Everybody have a great day, and we'll see you in the next update.